When I tell people they should get chickens, they say they're too much work, but they're really not. I built a coop. I have an automatic door that opens and closes. You know, they go in on their own. I feed them once a day, make sure they have water, and clean out the coop maybe once every other week. Throw some sawdust in there in between. That's really about it. Oh, and collect the eggs and eat them. So it's really not that difficult, but I guess you got to have a place to put them. I have this hillside, which probably wasn't the best idea. And she loves eating everything they drop.